What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this 15.6 inch portable monitor from KYY. This one is the one that I have been using for almost a month now. I have actually used a few other portable monitors through the years, but after I have got this one, I have fallen in love with this one. Yeah, this one costs only $139.99 considering the price. I think this one is one of the best value for money portable monitors. A lot of people would ask whether this one is a 2K panel or not. No, this one is a 1080p panel, but even if this one is a 1080p panel, this one actually offers the most natural color reproduction. As I do a lot of video editing, as I also do some photo editing, color reproduction is one of the most important part, and you can see this one comes with a matte texture. As I use Apple's display in my daily life, so that one comes with nano textured glass, and this KYY portable monitor also comes with this matte finish, which actually offers almost the same feelings. Yeah, this one supports 72% NTSC high color gamut, and yeah, this one also goes very bright. Super bright. I should say super bright because sometimes in this studio with all the studio lights, I use my MacBook Pro M1 Pro with this one, and yeah, I've never felt any issues about brightness.
Rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one. Mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be.
Well, before I connect this one with all of my devices and gadgets, let's check the unboxing. As I have been using this one, so I have already unboxed it. But well, when I have unboxed this one, I have recorded the video. So let's check what things I have got inside the box. Not only the cables, what makes me feel so happy that this brand KYY, they have provided a how to use the smart cover card. Look at this, there are a lot of illustrations as an adjustable stand, how to use this one, I have already shown you, and as a screen protect cover, they have also provided some illustrations and all the guidance. Yeah, I have also shown that to you. Another thing I like about this brand is the user guide. This user manual is actually a very good one. There are a lot of illustrations and everything is written clearly. All the possible things that you need to know are provided inside this user manual. Kudos to KYY. Well, here comes our KYY K32 portable monitor, and this one is actually built with premium materials. Look at this. This one comes with an aluminum unibody. It's not like the back panel is built with aluminum, but actually it's an aluminum unibody. In front, yeah, there is a bit of a bezel, but this bezel was actually necessary to provide the best build quality and sturdiness. Yeah, they have also added the logo of the brand KYY in front. It actually doesn't look bad. It looks so nice. It actually got a very nice blend because there is a bit of a design language which looks pretty nice. As this portable monitor comes with a stereo speaker setup, on the left side, you will notice a very big speaker grill or a speaker cutout. There is nothing on top, and it's the same for the bottom. There is nothing at the bottom. Everything is actually located on the right side. There are 3 ports on the bottom right side. There is a mini HDMI port and 2 USB-C ports. These are actually hybrid USB-C ports. You can use either of these USB-C ports as a video input port or as a power port. Yeah, this one requires additional power. That's why this brand has provided a power brick and a cable. But some of the smartphones and laptops actually offers power output, and this one will run well without any additional power. You will also notice another speaker grill on the right side, and there are 4 buttons. One is a power button, another is menu button, and 2 of the other buttons are to scroll through the menu. There is a 3.5mm port, so definitely you can use an external wired headphone. For build quality, I would give this KYY 15.6 inch portable monitor 9 out of 10, and for design, outlook, appearance, I would give 8 out of 10. Because there is one issue, even if this aluminum unibody is coated with matte finish, this one is truly a fingerprint magnet. It's fingerprint and smudge magnet. So yeah, I would actually give 10 out of 10. only if this one wasn't a fingerprint and smudges magnet. As this one comes with two USB Type-C full functional ports and a mini HDMI port, this one is actually compatible with most of the laptops, computers, smartphones, PS5, PS4, PS3, Xbox One or Nintendo Switch. Actually, I've been using this one with my MacBook Pro M1 Pro, my Surface Book Pro, my iPad Pro M1 and my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And you know what? This one actually supports DeX mode with almost all the Samsung smartphones. Let me show you.
Bitterness in my face, work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me and come out with none, cause I'm so done. You had your fun, and now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it, but I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want.
This one comes with its integrated menu. Inside the menu there is brightness, contrast, black level, sharpness. We can also select between standard, RTS, FPS, text, movie and gaming image mode. There is DCR control, aspect control. Moreover, we can select color temperature if we want. We can select different languages, we can select on-screen display timer, transparency. If we want, we can reset this portable monitor, we can select volume and yeah, we can even select signal source, low blue light if you want to protect your eyes, and there is a HDR mode. I really like this new OSD settings because this one adapts to a friendly one-to-one button settings design. This one is actually simple compared with the track wheel. Simply press the plus or minus button to quickly scroll through the brightness and volume of the monitor. Well, that's all about this KYY 15.6 inch portable monitor, but before I wrap up, there are two other things I want to mention. Look at these. This one is so very slim, only 0.3 inches. It's really slimmer than any other portable monitors available on the market. And number two, this one supports all type of display sharing. Like when I have used this one with my MacBook Pro M1 Pro, I have managed to duplicate the display. The same thing for Windows, extend, duplicate and anything. Even I have managed to use this one with multiple devices at the same time using the multiple ports. And it's really easy to switch through the multiple inputs. Now I have connected this KYY 15.6 inch portable monitor through HDMI cable with my MacBook Pro M1 Pro and through USB-C cable with iPad Pro M1. Let's cycle through these two devices. Now this one is connected to my MacBook Pro M1 Pro and cycle one more time. Now this one is connected to my iPad Pro M1. So it really shows that whether you are using a HDMI cable or USB-C cable, this one actually offers convenience and the best performance. Kudos to KYY. Well, I have already mentioned the price. It's $139.99 but with this price, you're not only gonna get this portable monitor, you're also gonna get a few other things. You are gonna get a very good carrying pouch, a very good protective case, I should say. Yeah, the carrying pouch offers convenience and protection. And not only that, you're also gonna get a very flexible stand. You can use the stand to put this monitor in either vertical or horizontal position. Actually, this one is a 3-in-1 protective case and a stand. Let me show you how to use this one. So yeah, I'm gonna give this KYY portable monitor 9 out of 10 for performance. So for build quality, 9 out of 10. Outlook, appearance and design, 8 out of 10. Performance, 9 out of 10. Overall, 9 out of 10, because this one gets 10 out of 10 when it comes to value for money. I have left a link of this KYY 15.6 inch monitor in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check this KYY 15.6 inch portable monitor K3 too. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.